It all started like a fairy tale 30 years ago. A paradise corner was created on the shore of Bodrum's blue waters, Happymag Sea Garden Resort. Since that day, thousands of stories have been written within the walls of this hotel. Happymag Sea Garden Resort has become a home where loves, friendships, and unforgettable memories of families have been accumulated. Continue to accumulate unforgettable memories at Happymag Sea Garden, where the flavors enjoyed never fade from the palate. The chef's gastronomic journeys are equally unforgettable. Join our special celebrations for the 30-year. Be a part of this story. Happymag Sea Garden, a place where memories accumulate